Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Eurnzd FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with a trade recap of Eurnzd, and I'll show you how I was able to make about $7,200 on this particular trade right now. So watch the rest of the video to actually see what I'm talking about right here. All right, so let me just take you back to where this whole thing actually started from. Let me just show you everything step by step. So stick around, watch the rest of the video. So if you look here on on our mentorship community right here, I was about to forecast Eurnzd right here. A beautiful drop base rally with QML, which was left right here. We had the break of structure, market formed the higher high right here. The market kept on breaking higher highs right there. So what I did was I waited for price to come to this level, and you can clearly see that what we had here was a nice equal lows which are left behind here, which is liquidity, right? So whenever we have liquidity right here, we wait for the liquidity to be taken out, and once it has been taken out, we wait for entry signal, and then we'll be able to execute once we have our confirmations, right? So this was sent in our mentorship community right here, where we do the forecast from. And then later on, what happened was that the market actually came to this level right here, right? It came to this level right there, and then we saw the market breaking those lows right there. After that, the market actually took out this high as well. Then after I saw that the market had taken out the low, and I was able to share this trade right here as a signal. This was how it was right here. So the market took out this low right here, and then this was apparently it was just a stop hunt right here. So the market just taking out the low, this low right here, and then we saw the market trying to push the upside. I was like, okay, so these guys, they just wanted to actually take out my stop loss, right? So after that, was able to send this signal as a in our private community right here, in our premium signals community right here. Our stop loss was 20 pips and our target was 150 pips right here. This was a 1-to-8 risk reward ratio, and then later on the market started to push to the upside right here. We saw the market breaking structures to the upside right here beautifully. We saw that happening right there, and as the market continued to push in our direction, we kept on moving stop loss to break even and moving a stop loss behind structure. And you can see that right now we right here we were able to move the stop loss to break even when the market was actually just taking out this high right here, and that high right there, we moved our stop loss to break even. And when the market reached this level right here, we was able to tell the community to move the price to this level right here, to this price here, which was just below this level right here. So right now we're just letting it run, and personally I was able to take this particular trade. Like I've already said, I'm up already but on this particular trade I'm up like 7,400 now, and my target is about $9,700 right here. Yeah, about $9,700 on this particular trade. Beautiful trade so far. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and actually move my stop loss behind this level right here. We're just going to do that so that we let the price run, so that once the market comes to this level, we'll be taken out with about I think about 4,500, which is okay. And so far the market is near to our target, so hopefully the market is going to actually do that and actually hit our take profit. Right now we're just going to keep on holding this trade and seeing how far it can go. We are just about 35 pips away from our target. I'm sure we'll be able to actually hit our take profit right. Therefore, just going to keep to chill and actually relax and wait for the market to actually come to us. Yeah, so that's how it is, guys. The market is always random, like I always say. This is a very good setup, but however, anything would have happened on this particular trade, and there was no way for us to have actually predicted on what's going to happen. So our job as traders is not to predict which trade is going to work, right? Our job as traders is simply to execute our strategy flawlessly, because that's the only thing that we can control. We can't control the outcome. However, we can only control the process. Therefore, we have to make sure that we are following our strategy to the T, make sure that we are calculating our risk every time we're entering a trade. We know exactly how much we're willing to lose on that particular trade, and really accept the risk of that particular trade, and then just need to keep on executing the trade. So this is a 1 to 18, 1 to 8 ratio, but we usually have trades bigger than this. So it's all about executing at the end of the day. If you continue to work on the process, the outcomes are always going to take care of themselves, right? So this is how it is, guys. I hope you found value. If you like the way we trade and would like to join us, the links are down in the description. We have our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, and it comes with a lot of in-depth videos. So if you are interested in that, the links are down in the description. Check me out, and you can actually talk to me via Telegram or WhatsApp. The links are all down in the description. You guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.